dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
My good people, now welcome back to Reality Latest Gist. For this channel, we like give on our news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside we nation Nigeria. And no be lie, my good people, things they happen for inside we nation. You know, say the operatives of the Edo State Police Command don't go arrest one countryman who they go by the name Kelvin Ezeko. Say this man allegedly give RIP. This man allegedly by his own 38 years old wife, where the police last can identify as Success Ezeko. Person they deliver this information so now the spokesperson of the police command, and they go by the name Moses Yamu. Now they yarn this one for inside one statement where last can dey available to Tori people for inside Benin City, Edo State on Sunday, maybe the 23rd day of February for inside this year 2025. Now it's very much alarming, it's very much surprising, and it's very much disturbing. Say a husband go give his own wife RIP. That to tell you say after they don't join them finish for church, they don't swear oath for better for worse, in sickness and in health. I do. Now he can go give his wife RIP. Still on the information, my good people. The spokesperson of the police command will be Moses Yamu. He consider yarn. Say the suspect, this man now will be Kelvin Ezeko. They arrest him after being rescued from an angry mob who wanted to give him jungle justice for inside Benin City. That is, countrymen now for inside Edo State, they don't already grab this man because say he go buy his wife. They want do the needful. They want give him jungle justice until policemen can arrive the scene. Now, how the police they receive information say something they happen. For inside the statements, Mr. Moses Yamu Konde yarn. Say on the 22nd day of February for inside this year 2025 at about 10 p.m. they can receive information. Say one countryman who they go by the name Kelvin Ezeko of number 50 Upper Mission Extension, Benin City. He don't go buy in wife. He don't go give his wife RIP, and his wife they go by the name Success Ezeko, and her age na 38. And if they no come sharp, jungle justice go happen to this man because angry mob they don't plaster. Country people they vex, they no get joy at all. Sharply now the operatives of the Adoawa division they can respond to the report, and as they arrive the scene, as they reach where the thing they happen, they meet the woman body like that for ground, lifeless in the pool of her own blood with deep cuts for her head. Oga Moses Yamu consider yarn for sign statement. He take the police operatives serious efforts for them now to rescue the suspect and take the suspect into custody for investigation. Countrymen, the angry mob, no one release the man, give police. But based on things, they can't release them last. And the victim was removed and rushed to the hospital. And now for their last, they can't confirm him. Say the woman don't buy, she don't bear RIP. And still for inside this statement, my good people, the Commissioner of Police, maybe Betty Otimehin, she now can decry the recent cases of spouses being violent against each other. She now can yarn say it don't make sense at all. Say husband and wife, they will come get quarter to the extent will be say they will come buy themselves. One can give the other one RIP. Say those kind of levels normally it don't make sense. And the commissioner constantly assure the general public of diligent investigation onto the woman matter. She now the yarn say like this now. There will be a proper touchlighting onto why this man get mind go give his wife RIP. And after the investigation, after the touchlighting, anybody where they find culpable, anybody where they find out say na him be the culprit, na him be the person who do the jagoda activity, this jagoda level, so that person will be dealt with according to the law. That person will face the full wrath of the law. And be rest assured, say anyhow the investigation last turn out, Reality Latest Gist go make sure say the information reach the general public. But I go like make country people put mouth onto this very particular matter. Normally, nobody perfect. All fingers are not equal. For marriage, spouse they quarrel, spouse they fight, you understand? But you see this very particular incident na the highest. They go against the laws of the land, and they go against the 10 commandments wey Baba God don't arrange give the general public. So anyhow this matter be you for body, or if you get contributions onto this very particular topic, feel free make it drop them inside our comment section. Meanwhile, me still get another legit information. Me still get another update for my table like this one I need share give the general public. And the cocoa be say, still on Sunday, will be the 23rd day of February from inside this year 2025. The Edo State Police Command called the yarn say they don't arrest one member of a local vigilante for inside Benin City, Edo State, for allegedly giving RIP to an artisan and setting his corpse on fire. The public relations officer of the command, wey be Moses Yamu, cause the yarn, say the suspect was arrested by operatives of the Textile Mill Road Division after a distress call wey dem receive from members of the public at about 8 a.m. on the 20th day of February for this year, 2025. He now come dey yarn dey give tori pipo how the crisis e take start, and according to him, there be small fighting for area on Friday and with how the thing be, with how intense the fight be, he know very well say men go bear RIP. He say the crisis starts when one Ikale cocoa farmer go meet vigilantes to come dey guide him farm, and that na so vigilantes dey plaster for the man farm. And these youths, they come back to come do the things and things wey they do. Then the vigilante come give 4 of them RIP. And based on say their men don't kpai, his own youths kukuma retaliate, and na the retaliation attack na come result in more casualties. And the youth sef even put fire for some houses. This now come make country people no come know the exact amount of people wey bear RIP on top the matter. But soldiers and other security personnel then arrive on Friday and they recover some body, but many corpses are still in the bushes. The stolen cocoa they belong to Yoruba farmers for inside Madoti camp, and them normally go don suffer collateral losses. So this my good people, na the statements, na the informate wey the country person from the area they give tori people. I no be lie, on Saturday, Oga Moses Yamu we don confirm am, or he been confirm am, say na 5 people na bear RIP and 4 collect injury. And still that Saturday, he say security forces don restore peace and order in the affected communities. But however, for inside this fresh statement now wey dem drop on Sunday, he now come dey drop updates about the number of casualties. And according to how the talk take come outside from him mouth, he say on the 21st day of February for inside the year 2025, the command received a distress call about an ongoing clash between 2 communities for inside Ovia Southwest local government area of Benin City, Edo State. Then the police command, in cooperation with the Nigerian army and vigilantes, sharply they come deploy to the area to go torchlight wetin dey sup and calm down the crisis. And as they arrive the scene, the team sharply evaluate some casualties to the hospital, and they come find out say some men now don bear RIP, and then they up to 7, while 6 others are currently receiving treatment. The joint operation is still ongoing, and the situation has been brought under control. Meanwhile, an investigation onto the cause of the clash don't commence. That is, they don't start to dey torchlight the matter wey bring about the clash. They want to know wetin make the 2 communities now begin the fight. Meanwhile, Oga Moses Yamu wey be the spokesman of the state police, he now consider talk say the commissioner of police wey be Betty Otimeyin don vow to ensure a thorough investigation onto the incident, and he dey urge the residents, he dey urge country people for inside Edo State make dem channel their grievances through appropriate authorities rather than resorting to violence. Some of them now to come go take arms, they go do revenge, all these kind of levels there wey no make sense at all. They can do the needful, pass information so that justice will be served and the law will take its course. Now, anyhow this informate be for body, my good people, or if you be say you get contributions or informate about this very particular topic, feel free make you drop them inside our comment section. We go appreciate them well. Notice now we be reality latest gist. Now they like give on our reality news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey stop for inside this our nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news they come, now go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp. And I beg, try to share the news to your family and friends so that them too, they go know wetin dey happen for inside this our green white green country, maybe Nigeria. So